Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be talking about phrases. So let's start. So basically, a phrase is two or more words that do not contain a subject verb pair necessarily to form a clause. Phrase can be quite short or quite long, and phrase is an incomplete part of a sentence in which subject is missing. For example, barks. Sometimes verb is missing. For example, a dog. ठीक है, अगर मैं कहती हूँ a dog barks, तो इसके अंदर आपके पास a dog मिसिंग भी हो सकता है या barks भी मिसिंग हो सकता है. फिर इसी तरह कभी कभार होता है कि दोनों ही मिसिंग है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल a dog barks at night. अब इसके अंदर जो at night है उसमें ना सब्जेक्ट है ना वर्ब है. ठीक है, तो इसको इस तरह से थोड़ा सा समझें. Now there are different types of the phrases like noun phrases, verb phrases, prepositional phrases, infinitive phrases, participle phrases, gerund phrases, and absolute phrases. We're going to discuss all of them in detail. So first of all, a noun phrase basically includes a noun, a person, place, or a thing, and their modifiers, either before the noun or after the noun. That distinguish it. And the pattern which is being followed is, first of all, we're going to place the modifiers, the nouns, and then the optional modifiers. Examples basically includes the shoplifted pair of jeans. In this example, basically the pair is noun, the, shoplifted, and jeans. All of them are modifiers. Then we have got the noun phrase, a cat that refused to meow. Here again, cat is basically a noun, and as well as that refused to meow, both are basically the modifiers. A great English teacher, here again have teacher, which is a noun, great in English, all of them are modifiers. Then when we move further, we're going to talk that noun phrases functions as the subjects or objects or complements. For example, the shoplifted pair of the jeans caused and Nathaniel so much guilt that he could not wear them. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर ये जो आपका पूरा का पूरा है किस तरीके से यूज हो रहा है ये आप देख सकते हैं. ये एक सब्जेक्ट डिपिक्शन है. इसी तरह अगेन एक और एग्जांपल है जिसको आप थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड करें कि द Jerome adopted a cat that refused to meow. A cat that refused to meow is basically the direct object in this sentence. Again, the third example, with her love of Shakespeare and the knowledge of grammar, Jasmine will someday be a great English teacher. अब यहाँ पर ये जो great English teacher एक complement है, subject complement है. So basically, we are talking about verb phrase right now. So sometimes a sentence can communicate its meaning without the one-word verb, and other times a sentence need a verb phrase, a multi-word verb to express more nuanced actions and conditions. A verb phrase can have up to 4 parts. The pattern would be auxiliary verbs, main verb, and the verb ending, like if there is any. So we're going to see the couple of examples for this. So you can see that had cleaned here. Had is the auxiliary verb, clean is the main verb, and ed is the ending verb. Should have been writing here. Should have been are the auxiliary verbs. Write is the main verb, and ing is the ending verb. And then there is must watch. Must is the auxiliary verb, and wash is basically the main verb. So the ending verb may be present, may be missing. Then there are some word phrases which are the examples of them being in action. For example, Sarah should have been writing her research essay, but she could not resist another short chapter in her Stephen King's novel. And if the guests are coming for dinner, we must wash our smelly dog. This is all for today. Thank you so much.